Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how admin can fetch all the data from the appointments table. So here you can see we have appointment table. So let's go to the code. Here we have resources, then views, and for admin we have admin folder. And here if I go to the main design, here you will find an option, a link here, and the link let's say I want to add one more link in the admin panel, and here instead of 500 we are going to use here view appointments. Okay, view appointments. Okay, so let's go add here. So this is the page. I'm going to actually remove this route from here. Okay, and here we have this, so I'm going to say view, okay, appointments. And here we are going to give the reference, it means route. So here I'm going to say route, let's name it as view underscore appointment. Let's copy this route from here, route name, and we are going to go to the routes, and then web.php, and here we are going to add here. Okay, so let's add here, and it would be a get route. So we are going to copy this one, let's say, paste it here. Let's cut the name from here, change the name, change the URL also, and function. And here we are going to keep it like this. And now let's go to the admin controller and create this function. So in the admin controller, we will find it inside app, then HTTP, then controllers, then admin controllers. And here we are going to add the function. The function is public function, the function name. From here we are going to return a view. The view would be, let's say, view appointments. So it will be inside admin. So admin.view underscore appointments. Now let's create a view appointments. So inside admin we are going to create a new view. Okay, so new file, view appointments dot php. Here we are going to paste everything. We are going to fetch all the data here. So I'm going to extend the main design at first, and the main design is the admin folder, then file name is main design .blade.php. So we don't have to actually give the extension here. And then we have to create a section so that I can yield it in the main design. Okay, so section, end section. Here let's give it a name. The name would be, let's say, view underscore. I'm going to say view appointments. Okay, so now let's copy this and let's go to the main design and let's yield it. So let's go for the yield. Here we are going to yield it. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to copy this and I'll change the name. So guys, now we can actually go to the page, and that is view appointments. Here we are going to show all the data, but we haven't actually fetched any data from the database. So let's go to that top here, and we haven't actually imported the model for this table, so we have to import it. So app /models /appointment. We have a table appointments, and this is the model for the table appointment. Now we can access all the data from the table. So here I'm going to say $appointments, okay, is equal to, I will say, appointment, okay, appointment, our model name, : all, and we are going to compact the result. So compact the result, and the result is $appointments. Now we can actually so we don't have to actually give here $sign because this is inside single quotation. Now let's copy this variable, and so we have compact the result, right? So we'll go to the admin folder, and inside admin folder we have view appointments, and here we are going to fetch all the data. Okay, so I'm going to fetch as, let's say, as a table. So we have already fetched view doctors as a table, right? So what can I do is I can actually copy this table from here. That's it. And I can paste it here. Okay, so just change the variable from here. Everything will be same. Just we have to change the variable for the for each, because we can have multiple data, right? And here also I'm going to say appointment, single appointment. So now here I'm going to copy this and I will change. Here we go. So I don't know how many columns we have, so let me check. The appointment table, we have how many columns? Full name. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 column we need. Okay, so 7 column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 6, 7. And we don't need this for now. And we have this one, so maybe I can actually copy this. So 4, then 5, 6, 7. And I don't need this style here. So maybe I can actually remove this to 2D, to TD, okay? Okay. So guys, I need to change the, column name, all the column names. So first of all, full name. So let's change it, full name, then email address, submission date, specialty, number, it means room number or maybe the user number, right? Yeah. And then message, because why I need the room number in the appointments table. Yeah. Then message we have, I'm going to paste the message, status, city. Okay guys, now we are going to actually add here name, then email, right? Mail, then submission date or appointment date. Okay, submission date, it should be yes, submission date, right? Then we have room number, maybe no, specialty. Then we have what? We have a number here, let's say 4. And we have message. We have status. So now it's time to check how it works. So if I refresh, so we'll find here one more option, right? Here you can see view appointments. If I click on view appointments, and it will take me to the appointment page, and here you can see we have only one appointment here. So unveil and all the things here you can see, and with the date also, right? Yeah, so it's working perfectly, right? So this is how we can actually fetch any data from the database. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.